In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Bilt credit card, and I'm going to be explaining the pros and cons so that you can work out whether this card's right for you. So the Bilt MasterCard actually caters specifically to renters, offering a unique rewards program centered around rent payments. But is it the perfect card for everyone? Let's delve into the details to help you decide. So to start with, you can earn points on rent. The Bilt card's star feature is the ability to earn points on reward payments. Every dollar that you spend on rent translates to 1 point, which can be quite rewarding considering rent is often a substantial monthly expense. So this can significantly boost your travel rewards or other redemptions. However, there is a yearly cap of 100,000 points earned on rent, which translates to $100,000 in rent annually. This shouldn't be a concern for most people, but high earners should be aware. Another benefit is the zero annual fee. Unlike most travel reward cards that come with hefty annual fees, the Bilt MasterCard actually has zero annual fees. This makes it a great budget-friendly option, and you can easily justify keeping the card even if you don't need to use it for anything. And that allows you to reap all the benefits of rent rewards without the added cost. The Bilt MasterCard even goes beyond rent rewards. It also offers travel insurance benefits like trip cancellation or interruption insurance, as well as all these other travel benefits that you're seeing on screen now. Additionally, you won't even be charged for international transactions, which can save you money on overseas purchases. So now that we've covered some of the advantages of the Bilt MasterCard, what about some of the disadvantages? So while the Bilt MasterCard offers enticing rewards, there are some drawbacks to consider. Unlike many reward cards that incentivize new users with a sign-up bonus, Bilt doesn't actually offer one. So this can be a missed opportunity for those looking for a quick boost in rewards. There's also a minimum spending requirement to earn the full point on rent payments. So you need to use your Bilt card for at least 5 separate transactions each month. This could be inconvenient for those who don't frequently use their credit card for everyday purchases. Another disadvantage is that the rewards rate on spending other than rent is also lower, with only 1 point per dollar earned. So if you're looking for a card with a flat rate cashback or higher points on everyday purchases, there may be better options. So who should consider the Bilt MasterCard? The Bilt MasterCard is ideal for renters who spend a significant amount on rent and prioritise travel rewards. If you fit this description, the Bilt card can be a valuable tool to help you earn points towards your travel goals. So if you like the sounds of the Bilt credit card, you can head over to the Bilt website and you can scroll down and click apply now to get started today. So this has been my video talking about the pros and cons of the Bilt credit card. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand everything you need to know about this card. And if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say it helped you out. Thanks for watching.